Julie.
I need new wiper blades. Can you help me out? I don't know how to put them on.
Very simple. In this case, there's only 2 little ears that hold it onto the arm. You just push back, comes right off. New one goes on similar, except for in this case, it's got a little finger on the bottom that clips in when you push it on. So you just flip it over, give a pull, and hear the click.
Show me again what goes into what?
Lift the little finger up, if you can. Releases it.
Okay.
Little finger down here.
Oh yeah,
This is
yeah.
what holds it in. You just put it over, pull ahead till you hear the click.
Now
And make sure it's secure.
are all wipers like that?
Not all wipers are like that. No.
All right. Thanks, Tim.